Hi, I'm John Koenigsberg. I'm an artist in Denver. I make mobiles and contemporary art, paintings like you see behind me. And I'm located at 9th and Santa Fe behind Dart Gallery and Spark Gallery. I'm down here at my gallery, in my studio gallery, and the COVID has actually impacted me because I've been out for 3 months. I haven't been able to sell my work or show my work in any way. I've been making mobiles up at my studio in Conifer, but my studio down here where I paint, it's been restrictive. I haven't been able to do anything down here for a while. So it's good to be back in Denver. It's good to be back painting again. It's good to be back in my studio. So one way I've adapted to the COVID crisis is I've been making more mobiles rather than painting. But now that I'm back in my studio, the way that I'm going to adapt is obviously we all have to wear our masks like this. People that come in, they're going to have to wear their masks too. And that's just the way business is going to happen. So what I'd like you to know is you can come visit me down at my studio here in 9th and Santa Fe in the Santa Fe Arts District behind Dart and Spark. I'll be open on Friday and Saturday afternoons, the same hours as Dart. So come see me.